I ain't drunk. I'm just drinking.
But you're so high.
Oh man, you know I ain't high.
But you're so high.
Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then.
But you're so high.
You ought to be ashamed of
Stay
yourself.
drunk all
Oh,
the
come on now,
time.
you all don't feel like that.
Bam! Hey kids! Happy Monday night. How you doing? Anyway, this is just gonna be a quickie. Nothing overly fantastic, but one of the things, I made a friend. Yes, I have a friend that's not in the Blades Club. My brother Vincere.fpv, and I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It's V-I-N-C-E-R-E. I'm calling you Vincere. I don't know. But anyway, we became friends on Instagram. And I don't have Facebook. I don't do Twitter or any of that crap, but I do have Instagram. Got on that, I don't know, a while back. And it's kind of neat. You know, I post nothing but quad crap, of course. And my Instagram's down in the description. And if you have it, look me up. And because I always put stupid shit on there, it's all quad related. But anyway, Vincere.fpv, he posted something and I liked it, or vice versa. I don't remember what it was. And he's kind of starting up a little business. He's going to school. He's working. Great guy. We've talked a few times, and it seems like we're kindred spirits. We have a lot in common. So he says, JJ, I want to send you this what's he call it? A quad bungee or something like this. When he first told me about it, and I'm like, okay. And, you know, I didn't really know what to think at the time. And I was like, oh, I like this dude. He's a cool cat. You know, we've talked and whatever, but quad bungee, whatever. So then he hits me again. He goes, I want to send you this. Give me your address. So I sent it to him. And in the mail today, I got one. And when I first saw it, or when he first told me about it, I was like, what are we talking about here? And then I got it, and I'm like, this is actually a pretty cool thing. Check this out. And I'm going to put his Instagram down there right below, or above mine. It's Vincere.fpv, V-I-N-C-E-R-E. Check this thing out. It's actually kind of cool. It's got a really cool clip on it, and I actually might want some of these clips for, see if he can get me a couple. I'll buy some off of them, just the clips, if nothing else. I like those. Kind of cool. Anyway, and when I first thought, I thought these were literally going to be bungees, like squishy, and they're not. They're like a nylon. They're very strong. Got these old plastic hooks. You can unhook them if you want to. 3 different lengths, so you're not going to be crashing your birds together. And spring-loaded cinches. All right, so you push in on it, goes up, and then slide it down, or push it in and slide it down. So you put this on your backpack, and you can put more birds on it. I thought, this is fucking brilliant. I have no idea how much he charges for these. He sent me this as a gift. So let me grab my backpack. Bam, hang on. So, ow, shit, I just hit myself in the eye. All right, so if you take, I have a Quad Pro, okay? So if I take, oh, I don't know, let's just say number 1. We put number 1. Number 1's like the General E, right? Everybody knows number 1. Mocha, okay? And let's take, fuck, I don't know. Let's take the multi-changing Cerebus. Check, that is cool. I don't care who you are. That's just, anyway. And we put that on there. That's a big bird. Fuck up the paint job. All right. So, boom, I'm out of room. So, because my backpack only holds 2 on top, but then I put these little squingy things, you know, these little, hang on a sec, these wire-coated, they're rubber-coated twist ties, or silicon-coated twist ties. And I got a few of them on here. They're actually pretty cool. And usually what I'll do is it's just around the handle of the bag. I'll just wrap it around an arm of a quad and throw it on there. Cool. And I got these little camping hook doohickey things that, you know, I suppose I don't actually use them. I think they're there for looks. But anyway, his little cinchy thing, quad bungee, sorry. And hit him up on Instagram, because this is actually a damn clever idea. I don't know if he invented it, or he's just making them, or what the poop is. He didn't really elaborate. But you could clip this anywhere. I would actually clip it on the bottom of mine if you wanted to. I have a hook there. And you got, on the Quad Pro backpacks, you got all these little things you can snap shit to. But, whatever. You know, you get the gist. We'll just clip it there. But, so, yeah. I could take anything I want take number 1 again, put it around the prop, or however you want to do it. I have not played with this yet. Cinch it down, bam, and there you go. It's good. And then the next one hangs lower, and the next one hangs lower. I think it's a brilliant fucking idea. And maybe you wouldn't even use it for quads. Maybe you could use it for your transmitter or whatever else. But anyway, you guys know me. I'm not a plugger. I'm not a guy that takes corporate birds and corporate frames and all this, you know, expensive shit and, you know, affiliate links. I'll never be that dude. Too rated R any fucking way. But everything you see on my channel, I pretty much buy. Mocha's given me a couple of things, but believe it or not, I buy 95% of my Mochas. I think he's given me maybe 2 frames. Motors, I buy. Everything you see on this channel, either my friends buy and I do a build for them, or I buy and it's for me. But these little things like this, you know, people that are one-man bands or smaller companies and things like that, I want to try to help. And this guy is a cool cat. We get along great. He just seems like a really sincere dude. He's like, didn't even hesitate. It's like, dude, I want to send you this. He don't know me from fucking Adam. You know, he's seen my pictures on Instagram and, you know, watched a couple of my videos maybe. But hit him up. Again, it's Vincere.fpv, which is Vincere.fpv, and ask. This is actually pretty clever, and maybe, you know, you hang it from your rear view mirror or some shit. I don't know. Actually, I might do that. That'd be pretty cool. You hang a little Mocha JJ shit on the back of that. Bam. Actually, you know, that probably would be really good for micros. Because micros, you can't clap on there. And, you know, it's, I don't like using these for a quad because it's too harsh, you know. Just strap this bitch around here. Bam. Look at that. Very cool. Yeah, you won't lose your little birdie. Sweet. I like it. Brother, thank you. I appreciate it. Love it. Bam. Keep shiny side up. Look up my brother. He's got some cool stuff on Instagram, too. He might even do more stuff than this. I don't know. But this is what he brought up to me. So support the little guy, man. That's what it's all about. Bam. Take care, kids. Bye.
Bam, JJ. Hope you like fishing. Bam, JJ. Hey, JJ. Hope you like fishing.